Ladies and gentlemen, D-Max Rhino. Alright guys, welcome to today's video. I have a 3-hour drive ahead of me to go meet up with Durtymax Jack. All my friends are they're at the Whitetail Snow Resort already, or they're on their way right now. And I'll be meeting up with them later tonight, but as of right now, I'm gonna meet up with Durtymax Jack, do a little bit of collaboration, and then I'll be on my way to go snowboarding. 3-hour drive, it's not too bad. I just did a 9-hour drive like a couple days ago, so 3 hours should be like a piece of cake. Either that or it's just gonna be miserable because I already drove 9 hours. We'll find out. I brought a little monster with me right here, so I should be good, I think. But I'm gonna stop somewhere and get some diesel fuel because I'm at like a quarter of a tank. All right, y'all, so we gotta fuel up, so we're making a sheet stop. So I was talking to Dalton and he said last time he was in Pennsylvania, he said sheets were amazing. So let's find out how good their sheet really is. So if you guys watched last night's vlog, you would know that we went to go get Korean barbecue. If you haven't already, what the heck? If you haven't already, make sure to go check out last night's video. But yeah, we got Korean barbecue. You know, we drank a little bit, you know, because when you're eating Korean barbecue, you have to drink a little bit of soju, and which is Korean liquor, and a little bit of beer. You just have to, except the drivers. But everyone got pretty lit, and Unji, one of our friends, drank a little too much and threw up in my truck. Just a little bit. So I cleaned it up this morning. We're all good. I just wanted to give her a little bit of crap. That's it. Alright y'all, we're about 4 minutes away from the place that we're supposed to meet up. I have no idea where it is. Hopefully I can find it.
No, he put that on.
Oh, okay.
No, it's not. I was like, that thing's massive. Go make a right out of here.
So what's the setup on this truck?
This is PPEI tuned, leveling kit, 5-inch exhaust. There we go. Truck looks good, man. I like it.
There's my old girl.
Yeah, it looks real good.
14 years old.
What size tires are you on that?
37s.
This looks so, like I said, like my 38s look tiny, and like when you put them on this truck, they just look like massive.
See, I thought about getting 38s, but I think they're a little too big for my truck.
Yeah, it'd probably be a little hard to turn.
I went to Sheetz for the first time today.
You don't have a Sheetz that you're down your way?
Oh, what?
You're from Georgia, right?
We don't have Sheetz down there.
No, when I could like take trips in there, we're like, where do you want to go food at? It's like, we have to go get somewhere to like sit down because there's like absolutely nothing. Like we have like pickup spots. Yeah, like we don't have like we have like Sheetz, Wawa, like Rudders and shit like that. Like down there they have like nothing. We have to like you go to a gas like the one guy I'm working with right now. He's from actually Mississippi. He's like, yo, you tell people that you're going to get food at a gas station, they'll be like, what the fuck is wrong with you? You're gonna get sick. Like, yeah, don't do that, bro. Because he told his wife, he's like, yeah, I eat lunch at the one gas station. She's like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Like, why would you be doing that? Like, did you like the food?
I didn't try the food, but I mean, I was like blown away. I was like, you can order food at a gas station?
Yeah, like all this like meal to go stuff. Yeah, it's like totally something that you would never believe from being down south.
Well, I was like, do I even want to get food from a gas station?
Yeah, it's actually pretty good, man.
Really?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's really not bad. And it's clean and shit, you know? It's not like it's like you go to like one of these hole in the walls. Yeah, it's pretty convenient. All the hats are sold out, dude.
Oh,
so I really apologize. But I will get you hooked up. I'll give you free shipping on one and I'll send you one down. Literally everything was sold. I got home, my wife was like, yeah, I just finished packing your orders for today. I was like, all right, cool. Can I grab one of the flat frames? She's like, they're all gone.
They're all gone.
I said, don't film them, bro. I'm a little self-conscious about it. They're maroon.
So you guys seem to always love how this thing sounds, especially with this turbine-esque exhaust. So
Fire it up, buddy.
I hate my truck now. Thanks a lot.
Sorry, man. No, down there, the Y bridge.
Duramax Jack doing his thing.
Lines and fittings and
Sneak peek for his next video.
So basically, it's going to be the exact same turbo kit.
So when are you gonna start your YouTube channel?
Either tonight or tomorrow.
What's it gonna be called?
Or the Explorer.
I think the stock injectors on these trucks, the stock
Not to be confused with Dora the Explorer, right?
Mine's 5.
Let's go check out your truck. Dora the Explorer.
It's got the cheap delete on it.
The cheap delete.
EGR blocker plates.
Hey,
fast
same.
lift pump. Straight pipe. And just a tune. Don't complain. 20 by 12s. 33s. Well, 305 55s. Just level.
Ladies and gentlemen, Duramax Jack.
And we got D-Max Rhino over there in the garage. So the only thing I hate is the 2-piece fuel wheels. I'm peeling.
Oh, they peel?
How fucked up is that?
Really?
See how it's peeling?
Is it because of salt up here?
I'm thinking. It's the first winter I ever drove on Burrow.
Okay, because I have never seen...
And then my lug nuts are rusting.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like that.
I'm thinking it might actually be a defect, but...
With the fuel wheels?
Yeah.
Oh,
At
you
least
got-
they're 2-piece, so I'll just get them powdered.
Oh, you got the Mickey Thompsons. See, I thought about getting the Mickey Thompsons too.
I love them.
Really?
I can't complain. Not loud. They wear... Dude, I haven't rotated them for 10,000 miles. Look at the tread. I've had them for 35,000 miles.
Dang, they still look brand new.
I know, right? And I haven't swapped them.
Yeah.
So the only time I swapped them was when I would get an inspection. That's it.
See, I got Cooper STT PRO and I love mine. Only complaint I have is it shakes a little bit. It's bouncy at like 60.
It's probably just the weight. They're not balanced right.
Well, I've talked to other people with Cooper tires and they've told me that I mean, I've had Cooper tires before this one too with my old truck and they're like bouncy whenever you get at 55.
I'm thinking about getting sandbags. Have you heard
Sandbags?
about that?
You take this back out. I'm just gonna back it up a little bit.
Smells like fish. Durtymax Jack's cameraman. We're gonna go for a ride.
You ready, buddy?
Are you ready?
Hell yeah, buddy. So you met up with Dalton when he was on his way back from the call out.
Yep.
So So you guys got to meet each other for the first time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's pretty cool, man.
Yeah,
It's nice that you guys got to connect.
Yeah, Dalton drove like 16 hours that day.
Yeah, he's nuts, dude. He did it almost all in a day, and it's like isn't it like a I don't know, I think 18-hour drive when I charted it out.
Well, Dalton, he was gonna just stop by and then he was gonna drive back home, and I was like, no, you're gonna stay at my house.
Yeah, so we crashed,
Yeah.
and then he got on the road the next day. That's like the better way to do it though, man, because you don't want to drive like super freaking fatigued.
Damn. Do you get in trouble for your train horn?
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet.
There he is. Stefan in the flesh. Guy.
Damn.
It's on like tune 3 right now.
That's
it actually
tune
might be
3?
on tune 2.
Damn.
I think it's on tune 2.
Full send?
Yeah, it's not too bad, man. It has some pep. It's a little laggy, just a little bit. Get down in the bottom here. Enter Mexico real quick. Just spins. It's so wet right now.
That's what she said. Damn, I thought Richard's BMW was fast.
Yeah, it scoots pretty good, man.
Yeah.
And like I said, we're in a slow tune right now.
That's a slow tune?
Yeah. I just kind of driving around on like a moderate tune every day, you know, that way. I mean, all the fuel, yeah, and all the send, of course. But that way, like, I'm not tempted all the time. But luckily, PPEI Tuning, they've set me up with a DSP5 switch. So literally, it's as easy as flicking a little button right here to the right of my dashboard, and I'm a tune up.
See, luckily I have the LLY where I can switch the tunes with my Edge Insight.
Ooh, see, that's nice. But on the fly, regardless, is what you want.
Right. Dang. That's insane.
Turbo hit's nice.
Yeah.
So what do you think, buddy?
It's fast.
Yeah, it moves. It scoots pretty good. I gotta say it's fun, and it's really hard to get maximum quote-unquote fuel economy. For obvious reasons.
Right.
Of course.
Shit, his truck is fast, but what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna readjust my truck and we're gonna just take some pictures before we go, or before I head out. That is it for today's video. I had fun with Jack.
We had a good time, man. I'm glad you came up. I apologize that we couldn't have done more fun shit.
Oh, you're good. I do just.
Unfortunately, it's like a gross day today, and I'm exhausted for the vlog. I'm not hiding it this time around.
Hey, I mean, just seeing your truck in person made my day.
Yeah, so. Awesome, man. Awesome. Yeah, so how's it actually look in person versus seeing it like online? Everybody tells me that I'm way shorter in person, too.
Way shorter in person? Nah,
shorter in person. You don't think that? Oh, all right. Yeah, that's a confidence booster.
Well, you're about 6 foot, right?
Yeah. I met like all these people at Motorama last weekend, and they're like, dude, you're like way shorter than you look in your vlogs. I'm like, thanks, bro. Well, I'm glad that we could get the trucks together. I gotta say that, man, it's freaking awesome.
Yeah, your truck's definitely wider in person.
That Bulldog stand.
Oh, yeah.
That's exactly what it is. And it's a freaking filthy mess, and we haven't even driven far with it. We like went around the block, and now it's like painted road.
Yeah, I love the stance look though.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's
awesome.
fast.
I enjoy it. Your truck too, man. It looks really great in person.
Appreciate it.
I really like these older body style Duramaxes, man. Especially the way that you have them set up, because that's like such a usable configuration.
Right.
Now, have you given your vlog what's coming next?
Yeah.
Have you disclosed it?
I didn't tell him exactly what size.
All right, so the next wheels and tires are going to look really good.
Jack already knows.
I'm looking forward to seeing how it turns out then. But yeah, man, so the April 29th is the YouTube call out.
Okay.
So anybody in JW's vlog, Cecil County, Maryland, April 29th, like I said, it's a Sunday. It's going to be like this big event where a whole bunch of YouTubers come out. Myself, Nick, Mike, Troy, all the guys are going to be there. So I'd hope to see you if you can make it.
Oh, yeah,
I think Dalton's going to be coming up as well.
Okay, maybe we'll carpool.
Yeah, you guys should. You could. No, you honestly could. Hey, if you wanted to. It would be worthwhile just because it's a long drive.
That's true.
But yeah, definitely come out to that event, guys. It's going to be awesome.